Today, I'm going to tell you how to keep green chilies fresh for a long time. For this, I've taken some green chilies and now I'm going to take off the cap part of it completely. You can see that I'm just able to bend the chili and take the caps out of it. Once I remove all the caps from the green chilies, I spread a tissue on top of a plate and nicely spread these green chilies on top of the tissue. I wipe it clean so that, just to avoid any kind of moisture on it. I ensure that all, this is after washing, that all the water droplets are off. Now, after that, I take a Ziploc cover and store the green chilies completely wrapped. As you can see, I'm going to store it as is into the Ziploc cover. This Ziploc cover, after sealing it nicely, can actually be stored inside the fridge into the vegetable compartment and can be stored for very long periods to about 2 to 3 months. There is another method with which you can store green chilies for a very long time. I take a Tupperware box or an airtight plastic box, spread a tissue inside the container and take the green chilies as is, which is nicely wiped, and place it inside the container with the tissue. On top of the green chilies, I'm going to pack it up with another tissue and close this Tupperware box in an airtight manner and store it into the fridge vegetable compartment for long periods, sometimes 2 to 3 months. This is method 3. I take a glass jar and place the nicely washed and cleaned green chilies into it. Again, here ensure that there is no moisture. You can see here that it's an airtight glass jar. I nicely close it and now I can store this into the fridge for a very long period. Again, this could be about 2 to 3 months.